guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making some yummy tostadas de tinga. It's super simple and super fast. I also know that we make it a little bit different because most people just make it with chicken, and we actually make it with cabbage. So I will be showing you guys how my mom taught me. It's my favorite to make, whether I just want to snack on something or want it as a full meal. If you have some chicken left over, it's a great way to use it up. I just went ahead and boiled my chicken, and I will show you guys how I like to boil my chicken. I don't know if my mom does it the same, but just go and buy the Guerrero tostadas. I like the yellow bag rather than the red one. If you prefer to make your own tostadas, you're more than welcome to do that. And for your sauce, you will need a can of Chipotle sauce. We get La Costeña, but you could get any. You need a onion and also some tomatoes. So for the tomatoes, all you want to do is roast them. I think that's how you say asar. You're going to put it on your stove. We do medium heat, and you just want to check the tomatoes on and off. Like I said, you're going to place them on there, and as you shred the chicken or do everything else for the tinga, you're going to be letting them sit. There's plenty of ways to do a tinga. A tinga is super basic. It's mainly just all chicken and your sauce, but we like to add cabbage. I don't know why, but that's how my mom makes it, so that's how I learned to make it. I love cabbage though, so for me this is perfect. Alright guys, so after you shred the chicken, or even before you shred the chicken, you want to make sure you have some cabbage. So we always get a little one. Well, it could be any size, but then what you want to do is you want to shred your cabbage in little pieces, and this is nothing too hard. This is a good amount, but I'm going to cut just a little bit more. You do want a whole onion. Anyways, my tomatoes are going crazy back there. Alright guys, so for the onion part, you want to cut the onions in slices as well. I'm doing slices just because I hate cutting onions because I always cry, and I cut mine in half. Oh my god, I'm gonna start crying. And of course, if you want to do more than an onion, you're welcome to. I'm just going to do one onion. Alright guys, so you want something deep, something that you can kind of fry everything in. You're going to throw some vegetable oil, canola oil, avocado oil, whatever you want, into your pan. And you want to do not too little, but not too much. And once you do that, then you want to throw in your cabbage and your onion. So basically what I'm going to do is just kind of dump everything in here. And again, make sure you wash your hands. Mix everything together. You want to move everything around. You want to get that oil moving. I'm making a mess. Wow. Also, if you want more onions, add them. This is kind of like stir frying your veggies, so you want to make sure you get the oil flowing. And the tomatoes are done. I'm going to go ahead and blend them. I am going to take that off though before I throw them in the blender. Okay, so once your tomatoes are ready, you can throw them in your blender. Want to grab your chipotle sauce or chipotle. And we're going to throw the chipotles in there. Then I'm going to throw some seasoning in. I don't know exactly what this would be, but this is just the Knorr chicken seasoning. 2 tablespoons, but I kind of just eye it. Add 1 full scoop of the caldo, and I'm just going to throw it in the blender. And I'm also going to throw the onions and the garlic that I put in here. Go with just 1 more spoon and just 1 laurel leaf. Guys, it already smells so good. You could also take away the chipotle if you don't want too much of that spicy taste. You could even do like more tomatoes than the chipotle. I'm sure that would be really, really good too. We just really love a good spicy chipotle mix. So we go all in. And you want to make sure you blend it all really, really well. Oh, it looks so good. This is my favorite thing ever, you guys. And then once you have it all mixed together, you just want to let it sit. Alright guys, once you have it sizzling, we'll bring the heat down. You just want to let it simmer. Grab the lid and just kind of pop it on and leave it on there for a good 10 to 15 minutes. But that should be good. We'll wait 10 to 15 again, like I said, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, after a little while, when it is done, that is what you should have. Alright, now we're going to make our tostadas. You can add whatever you want to your tostadas, but we eat them pretty simple. I don't like sour cream or like mayo. I have eaten it with mayo, but this is how I would normally eat it. You just throw it right on top. Add some queso right on top. Bring my dad back on camera. ¿Las vas a probar? Okay. ¿Vas a querer aguacate?
No, it's aquí.
¿Queso? No?
No.
Hold on, you have to wait for me. Oh, this smells so good. Wow, I'm actually feeling that one. What? Huh? There you guys have it, my tostadas. Ooh, they look so pretty.
Okay.
Alright guys, enjoy! They're really good. You want some more? Renee, have some!
How do I stop this?
In the back.